Do you or someone you know identify as a member of the LGBTQ+ community? If so, I have news for you. There is no such thing as homosexuality, at least according to the Lovacane Theory.
Once every generation, something happens that shifts the world off its axis. That thing has just happened. It's called the Lovacane Theory.
The Lovacane Theory asserts that gay men and women can date. The biggest difference in a Lovacane relationship that differs from a normal relationship are the gender roles. In a Lovacane relationship, gay women and men may swap relational roles to best fit their gender identities.
This theory was created by none other than Ritchie Knox, an out-of-the-box thinker who believes that forced constructs have made it difficult for some people to be their authentic selves. Why can't a man be sensitive or like the color pink? Likewise, why can't a woman like the color blue or be a car mechanic without receiving the gay label?
As the Lovacane Theory grows in notoriety and becomes the dominant viewpoint, you'll begin to see more gender-swapped relationships and less same-gender relationships.
Can we address the uncomfortable truth about same-gender relationships that no one is talking about? If every person on Earth were to form relationships with a person of the same gender, the human race would go extinct due to lack of the reproductive process. How can something that could end mankind be the right thing to do?
If you're watching this and would like to try Lovacane dating, go to lovacane.com and join our fast-growing community of people just like you.